What up? Thanks for stopping by. If you guys have been keeping up with the channel, we did wrap the STI in one of the previous videos a while back, and I sat behind Mike at Cactus Wraps and basically learned how to wrap as much as I could from watching him and kind of being a second hand. So I wanted to take this on and try and wrap this car completely myself with the help of my roommates. So this should be a fun process. It wasn't the plan at all to have white on white. I've been wanting to change the color of this car, but I wanted to wait till the very end. So now, for the color. Trevor, what are your thoughts on the color? Do you think that was a wise choice?
Yeah, it's gonna be dope, especially when you have the Z and the STI back together.
So, here's the color. Matte gray aluminum, the same color as the STI, same color scheme. I'm super OCD, and that car satisfies my OCD more than anything because of the color scheme, and I just love it. And sadly, I'm not gonna be able to keep this car forever. The channel's not big enough. I can't just start collecting cars. It's not feasible financially. So I'm gonna be just doing some explaining of why I'm not gonna be going any farther with this Z, but another Z in the future. We're going all out, motor swap and all that, but I'll explain in a later video why we're not gonna keep this one forever. But I wanna make this thing look pretty so we can get rid of it and get it to a new owner that will thoroughly enjoy it. But no better color scheme, in my opinion, to get rid of it than that one. I think it'll be something that people will jump on immediately. I noticed the other day that also these brake rotors in there are orange and rusted, so we're gonna be doing that mod as well, getting those black so the car will look dialed. Probably do both brake calipers the same color in the back so they all look really good. And from there, let's get started on the wrap process. I already pulled this guy off right here. You basically pull the weather stripping back a little bit, and then it pops out right here. Then that leaves access to some screws to pull this whole panel off. This actually all comes off so we can get to this seam for the roof. And if you look, there's one screw right there. And if you peel this up, there's some screws underneath there. So you follow those all the way down, make sure. And then we're gonna pull on this. Most people break these, and Trevor notified me that they're $300, so we don't wanna break it. But we are gonna try it, even though Trevor doesn't think I should.
Sketch.
If you guys wanna learn how I built this vinyl wall mount, second channel in the description. It's on Cameron Alford 2. I did it for literally $13.
Bye.